Hello，大家好啊，我係小廖老師啊。好多同學咧都同我講話，英文真係好難啊，我都唔知點樣開始寫作好啊。咁喺呢一集咧，我就會簡簡單單咁教大家點樣去開始寫一篇好文。我整呢個頻道咧，係想同我嘅學生咧溫習一下英文嘅，因為聽好多家長講，可能家長都要太忙啦，或者咧都唔知點樣同學生溫習好。咁我希望幫到我嘅學生啦。想寫一篇好文呢，一個好嘅開頭呢係好重要嘅，所以喺 beginning 方面，我哋呢可以用一個 nice 嘅 introduction。例如我哋可以咁寫：It was a wonderful sunny day，即係話係一個好美好，亦都好晴朗嘅日子。It was an unforgettable day in my life。呢一個真係我人生之中好難忘嘅一日啊！ Do you know what happened？ 你又知唔知今日發生咗咩事呢？頭先嗰三句呢，大家有冇記喺心裏邊啊？好啦，跟住落嚟呢，我哋就要開始寫咯。咁你又會話啦，咦？點解啲人啲句子成日都好長嘅？我真係唔知點樣可以寫到句長嘅句子啊！原來呢，其實英文呢，每一句句子呢，都係可以用一啲好簡單嘅句子嚟開頭，再慢慢疊上去嘅。我哋嚟睇一睇，例如好簡單嘅句子，He played football。我哋呢可以加上同邊個啊？ He played football with his friends。跟住我哋可以除咗加人之外，我哋仲可以加上地方嘅。He played football with his friends in the park。仲可以加上時間㗎。Last Sunday, he played football with his friends in the park。跟住落嚟呢，我就想小朋友你試下咯。不如我哋用一句簡單嘅句子開頭啊，例如呢位女孩子唱歌 ，She sang， 你又會點加呢？加誰人先啦？加地方，再加時間，你嘅答案又會係點啊？例如家人，我哋可以寫 She sang with Anna。She sang with Anna in the music room。再加時間啊。Yesterday, she sang with Anna in the music room。頭先嗰句大家做唔做得好呢？跟住落嚟，我哋要更加將句子加長啦，令佢更加有意思。咁我哋就要揾連接詞幫手啦。咁我哋可以用 because， 因為 so， 所以，同埋 but， 但是，好似呢一句咁，我就用咗 because 啦。Last Sunday, he played football with his friends in the park because it was fun。為咗加強人物性格嘅特徵呢，好多時我哋都會加上一啲感情嘅字，即係 add feelings。好似呢一度咁 ，Last Sunday he played football with his friends in the park because it was fun. He felt happy。淨係加 feelings 呢唔夠嘅，好似呢度咁，我哋呢就加上咗 talking and thinking sentences。一啲講嘢同埋諗嘢嘅句子，好似喺呢一度咁，我就加上咗 He thought, what a beautiful day， 俾一啲感嘆佢喎。跟住落嚟呢，我哋呢就要加一啲 adjectives， 即係形容詞啊。如果你係初學者呢，可以用一啲簡單嘅形容詞， 但係如果你想篇文章更加生動有趣嘅呢，你就可以用一啲深少少嘅形容詞嘅，好似呢度咁。Tired 你可以用 exhausted， 即係好疲倦。Happy 你可以用 delighted， 即係好開心。Good 你可以用 fabulous 去代替，即係好好。Angry 你亦都可以用 furious 去代替，即係好嬲啊。Big 你可以用 enormous 去代替，而 small 你都可以用 tiny 嘅喎，代表好細小。而 beautiful 你都可以用 attractive， 即係好吸引啊。好啦，嚟到結尾咯喎，好多時呢，我哋都會 conclude with a moral， 即係呢，有一個教育意義同埋有一個教訓嘅。我哋可以咁寫啊。I learned that we should not be lazy。我學到唔可以偷懶啊。Those who do not prepare today will suffer tomorrow。今日唔努力嘅呢，將來呢就會好慘噶啦。I hope I should be more careful in the future。我希望我下一次呢都可以小心一啲。唔知呢同學吸唔吸收到呢？如果呢想記翻頭先嘅字同埋句子，可以翻轉由頭睇多一次。咁而家就嚟到考一考你嘅時候啦，睇下同學識唔識得用一啲字填落去。好啦，第一題。After running in the playground all day, Ben was so that he fell asleep on the sofa。我哋會用邊一個字啊？ Furious, exhausted, fabulous 定係 delighted 呢？冇錯啦，就係用 exhausted 啦，因為佢好攰啊，筋疲力盡。嚟到第二題啦。Lily was when she got a cute puppy for her birthday。你又會揀以下邊一個字啊？答啱啦，就係 delighted， 因為呢覺得好開心啊。好，嚟到第三題。Look at that ladybug. It is smaller than my fingernail。邊一個先啱呢？係 tiny 啊，即係代表好細小。Max was when his little brother broke his favorite toy car。你又會揀邊一個答案呢？係 A furious 啊，非常之嬲啊。好，下一題。An elephant is an animal. It is much bigger than a dog。同學試下揀下。係 A 啊 ，enormous 啊，係非常之巨大。好，下一題。The garden has many flowers with bright and pretty colors。選一選啦。係 C attractive 啊，即係解好靚咁解，好吸引。多謝你睇到最後啊！如果想俾啲鼓勵我呢，希望你可以俾個 like 我啦，同埋 subscribe， 同埋 share 俾有需要嘅人，咁就可以幫到多啲人啦。記住，我係小鳥老師，歡迎你飛到嚟閃星星頻道，令到你將來英文越嚟越叻，可以發光發亮。如果你有啲乜嘢想我教你，或者有啲咩唔明嘅，可以喺下邊留言啦。咁我下次拍片教你下。拜拜。